Office Spring. It's like a spring inside your water cooler. Bottled water. People have strong feelings about their bottled water cooler. Most people enjoy the great taste of bottled water. It's chemical-free and lead-free, but bottled water is not perfect, huh? Of course, lifting those big awkward bottles is not an easy task. People actually avoid the last drink of water so they don't have to change the bottle. Then there is finding room to store all of the bottles. The water may be high quality when the bottle is first filled, but think about what would happen to a swimming pool if you did nothing to it. Exactly. There is nothing to prevent bacteria or algae from growing. Think about it. Their water sits out in the open, exposed to whatever is in the air and whatever is on the neck of the bottle, the part held by the delivery driver, and whoever else handles your water. Independent lab results on open bottled water coolers showed so much bacteria that it is too numerous to count with a microscope. And then there is a high cost. Bottled water companies charge as much for bottled water as you pay for petrol. Those bottled water guys are laughing all the way to the bank. Office Spring is a superior alternative to bottled water. Office Spring has an incredibly sophisticated commercial-grade water purification system. It's like a high-tech bottled water cooler, except there is no need for the hole in the top because we have eliminated those burdensome bottles. Our twin filtration system comes complete with a 5-micron sediment pre-filter and a 1-micron absolute high-capacity activated carbon filter. And of course, these are manufactured to Australian standards. This twin filter system removes chlorine, taste and odours, chemicals and heavy metals whilst leaving beneficial minerals in your drinking water. This way, your water will be delicious, clean, crisp and refreshing. With Office Spring, the water is sealed inside, reducing the possibility of contamination of your water. Office Spring saves companies an average of up to 50 to 70% off their bottled water bill. You only pay one low-fixed monthly rental payment for unlimited superior quality water. Fill your coffee jugs, sports bottles, glasses, anything. Drink all you want. DrinkSafe International is the leading sanitization and hygiene program for water coolers, ensuring your Office Spring is protected for the benefit of all staff. In fact, DrinkSafe International is so good, we even have AS/NZS ISO 9001-2000 certification to prove it. Clear water filter systems are the only company in Australia certified to the rigorous DrinkSafe International standards. So when you choose an Office Spring from Clear Water Filter Systems, you can rest assured you and your staff are protected by DrinkSafe International. Guess how much extra Clear Water Filter Systems charges to replace the cartridges of your purification system? Nothing. It is all included in your low rental monthly payment. We completely take care of hooking up your new cooler. We simply tap into the closest water source and run a 6mm, quarter-inch, flexible food-grade water line to the back of your cooler. Where possible, the water line is run over the ceiling and between the walls so you won't even see it. It is like installing a computer cable or a telephone line. It is simple. As long as there is water in the building, you will be drinking great tasting water in no time. Okay, so let's review. Superior quality, great taste, no lifting, no storing, no spilling, sealed system, unlimited supply, fixed invoice, DrinkSafe International, filtration replacement included, installation provided, huge savings. The choice is clear. Office Spring. It's like a spring inside your water cooler.